Hey everyone, Arshad here, and welcome back to Health with Arshad. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial topic, hydration. Staying properly hydrated impacts everything from your energy levels to your digestion. Drinking enough water is important, but sometimes plain water can get boring. That's why I'm excited to share 10 refreshing ways to beat dehydration. We're going beyond the usual advice and exploring exciting options that make staying hydrated a breeze. Whether you're on the go, hit the gym, or just looking for tasty hydration hacks, this video has got you covered. So, grab your water bottle and let's jump right into these fantastic tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome health tips. Let's start with the most obvious one, drinking water. Aim to drink around 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Think of it as fueling your body's engine. Water keeps everything running smoothly, from your cells to your organs. It helps flush out toxins, regulates body temperature, and aids in digestion. Carry a reusable water bottle with you to sip on throughout the day. Trust me, your body will thank you. Did you know that many fruits and vegetables are packed with water? Watermelons, strawberries, oranges, cucumbers, spinach? These are just a few examples of nature's hydration heroes. They not only provide essential vitamins and minerals, but also contribute to your daily fluid intake. So next time you're feeling parched, reach for a juicy slice of watermelon or a refreshing salad. Craving something exotic? Coconut water is nature's sports drink. It's incredibly refreshing and packed with electrolytes like potassium. Whether you've just finished a workout or need a quick energy boost, coconut water is an excellent choice. Look for natural coconut water without added sugars for maximum benefits. Let's talk about sports drinks. These are useful if you're engaging in intense physical activity where you're sweating a lot. Sports drinks replenish electrolytes like sodium and potassium, essential for maintaining proper fluid balance during exercise. Choose low sugar or sugar-free varieties and consume them in moderation. Let's warm things up with a comforting bowl of soup. Broths and soups, particularly those packed with vegetables, are not only hydrating but also provide essential nutrients. Think chicken noodle soup when you're under the weather, or a hearty vegetable soup for a nourishing meal. It's hydration with a flavor-packed punch. Looking for a soothing and flavorful way to stay hydrated? Herbal teas are the answer. From calming chamomile to refreshing peppermint, there's a world of flavors to explore. Herbal teas are naturally caffeine-free, making them an excellent choice for any time of day or night. Enjoy a warm cup before bed, or a refreshing iced tea on a hot summer day. Did you know that cucumbers are about 95% water? These crunchy delights are incredibly versatile. Add slices to your water bottle for a subtle flavor boost, chop them into salads, or enjoy them as a refreshing snack. Here's a tip you might not have thought of: using a humidifier, especially during the drier months or if you live in a dry climate. A humidifier adds moisture to the air, which can help prevent your skin and nasal passages from drying out. It's especially beneficial during winter when indoor heating can zap the moisture from the air. Who doesn't love a delicious and nutritious smoothie? They're an excellent way to sneak in extra hydration. Get creative with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and even leafy greens. The possibilities are endless. Let's talk about electrolyte supplements. These are a convenient way to replenish electrolytes, especially after a strenuous workout or if you're recovering from illness. Electrolyte powders can be easily mixed with water, providing a quick hydration boost. So there you have it, folks. 10 refreshing ways to beat dehydration and keep your body properly hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for your overall health and well-being. Which of these tips are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Health with Arshad for more awesome health and wellness tips. Stay hydrated and see you next time.